Hey, what's going on YouTube? Madline843. Today, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch. This is not only the Samsung Galaxy Watch, but this is the Bluetooth LTE version from AT&T. I know a lot of us have been waiting on AT&T to release this watch or some other carrier besides T-Mobile, but AT&T released the watch yesterday and I was able to get my hands on it today. So we're going to do an unboxing, a brief review, some comparisons to what it looks like against the S3 Frontier, and to see if some capabilities match as far as charging and so forth. All right, let's get into the unboxing. Show you the box. See, it says Galaxy Watch on the front, top of the box, sides, bottom, sides, and on the back, you have your Stay Connected Longer badging, your Galaxy Watch LTE, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS. All right, let's get into the unboxing. Very nice packaging. Let's see what we have on the inside. Okay, open it. There's your watch. Nice presentation. You see the Galaxy Watch at the bottom. See what comes in the box. Here's our pull tab. Lay this to the side. Okay, this side we have our charging cable and our charging dock. Here we have our charging brick, our user guide, and an extra strap. This is for some people with a smaller wrist, the extra strap. Okay, let's look at the watch. Let's take it out. You see it's very nice. See if we have any power. Okay, it's powering on. While it's powering on, I'm going through a few of the features. Again, this is the LTE version, so if for those of you who have AT&T, you can use the NumberSync, so where you can leave your phones at home, and the watch acts totally independent, just like a phone. Resolution is 360 by 360. It has the 472 milliamp hour battery. Talk time is 4 hours. Standby time is up to 7 days. Now, Samsung has put a lot of claim on this battery life and how long it lasts. And for those of you who had the S3 Frontier, you know, as many of us know, it started out great and the battery life was pretty good. But then after a few updates, the battery life was horrible. It does have 4 gigabytes of internal memory, 760 megabytes of RAM. They do come with the Tizen 4.0, and it has, you know, your alarm and barometer and calendar and so forth like that for preloaded apps. Of course, you get text messaging and emails and so forth, and it does have internal storage for music. Okay, so it's asking me to pair it up. I'm going to pair it up with my phone, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm going to start the pairing process on my watch. You see I have my phone here, and it's already picked it up as available devices. Going to click it, and now it's pairing up. You can see it. Code. Okay. Okay. Now it's installing. Looks like the installer is going through pretty quickly. Once we get everything paired up, I'll show you how it functions. It's asking me to connect. It's connecting to the watch. Now it's finishing up and completing the pairing process. So if you can see that. Okay, guys, the watch is paired. Going through the general terms and conditions to agree. And it's pairing to my phone. Now it's going through a brief demonstration of how the watch functions. Rotate it clockwise, it shows the weather. Turn the other way, it shows the face. Turn again for notifications. This is the back key on the top right. The bottom key shows your apps. You can swipe down and you can cover it to turn it off. And that's it. Now the phone is paired. Okay, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how the NumberSync function works. And I'll also show what it looks like on the arm and compare it to the S3 Frontier. Okay, guys, I'm back. I have the watch completely paired with my phone. And I will say this, I bought the watch last night, but I did have to go back to the AT&T store today because I could not set up NumberSync on the watch. And the reason why is they have to activate the watch with NumberSync in the store with a QR code that comes on a card. And they have to sync that to your account so your account recognizes the watch and it allows it to be paired with NumberSync along with your phone. And the card looks like this, has a QR code on the left, and it has some numbers on the right along with some barcodes. So do not leave the store without them activating your watch with this card. Okay? So now that's done. And once you get your watch and you want to pair it with the NumberSync, you can swipe down and hit the little NumberSync button right there. And I'm not going to do it now because everything's already loaded into the watch. But once you do it, it'll be, for those of you who have the S3 Frontier, you'll be able to go in, click get code, and it'll give you the code, and you can log it into your AT&T account information, and you'll be good to go. So we're just going to show you how the NumberSync works. Of course, you can see here, my phone is paired to the Galaxy Watch. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to power off my phone. We'll just leave it here. And in about a couple of seconds, the watch should vibrate, letting us know that it is now on the mobile network versus being tethered to the phone via Bluetooth. And I may have the notifications up. Okay, so now you see it. I have instead of vibrate, I did have a little sound. Bluetooth disconnected, mobile data will be used instead. Click OK. Now, if you can look closely, you see the little watch emblem at the top, right along where the 12 o'clock mark is. So now we should be paired to NumberSync. And again, my phone is off. Everything is off. So now I'm going to make a call to the watch, and let's see what happens. And as you can see, it's ringing. Okay. So you can also set the phone to vibrate or set it to a specific ringtone and so forth. And it does show that I have a missed call from a private number. So that's basically how the NumberSync works. Go ahead and power my phone back on now so you guys can see that it was off. So that's basically how the NumberSync works. You can leave your phone at home. You'll still get all of your calls, your text messages, your emails. Everything will be completely synced to your watch without having to be tethered via Bluetooth to your phone. So that is one of the really cool features about having the LTE version of the phone, because a lot of us like to work out or maybe do things where we need to leave our phones behind. We may be about to go out and do something and our phone may need to charge before we leave, or it could be anything that you need. It could be any reason where you need to leave your phone behind, and but you still want to have that capability of being able to receive calls and text messages and so forth like that, or receive notifications from social media. Okay, so I'm gonna do a comparison of what it looks like against the S3 Frontier. The watches are fairly similar, with a little difference in color. Give you a close-up of what they look like. And this is the AT&T version of the Frontier. Pretty similar to each other. Now again, Samsung is claiming an extended battery life for the phone. But we all know with the S3 Frontiers, after a few updates, the battery life basically went to trash. Here's what it looks like against the Gear S2. Gear S2 obviously has a smaller face to it. And this is my S3 Frontier charging dock. Let's see if it works with the Galaxy Watch. Okay, it works with the Galaxy Watch, so you can still reuse your old charging docks along with the one that came with the watch. Show you what it looks like on the arm. Here's what it looks like on the arm. Very nice presentation of the watch. And again, you have your rotating bezel features, so forth like that. And I won't go in depth into features because a lot of you already know the features just for the Bluetooth being out for so long. But I did want to show the way that the NumberSync works and how it differs from the Bluetooth version of the Galaxy Watch. If there's anything else you would like to see about the watch, just leave it in the comments. I'll be happy to put up another video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that like button. Again, I'm just an average guy, just out here buying products and presenting them to everyone so you can kind of see what they look like coming out of the box, and some key features of particularly this watch with having the LTE version. Again, I know a lot of us have been hounding AT&T trying to get the LTE version out of them. It's finally released. It is $399. I think you can go through Samsung and they're offering a $30 discount, but I wanted to watch now, like many of us, when we want something, we want it now. So I went ahead and picked it up last night. Didn't want it to be shipped. And another thing, guys, call your AT&T stores, because if you look at the inventory, when you search your local stores, it may say no availability, but they may actually have them in stock and the system is just not updated. That's what happened to me. I kept checking my local store online. It said no availability. So I end up calling them, and the young lady answered the phone, and she said, yes, we do have one. They actually had one in the store, and I was lucky enough to get it last night. So don't just go solely by what the internet says. When you're looking online to check inventory, call your local stores. Or if you're close enough, stop by your local stores because they may already actually have them in stock and you don't have to wait on them to get shipped. Again, Madline843, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Go ahead. If you got any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer them. I'll be more than happy to upload an additional video to show you guys any features you would like to see. Again, Madline843, thank you for watching.